good people, welcome back to Shifting News, a great channel with amazing views and wonderful content. To all our subscribers, we thank you for the support you're giving us, and this is our journey to 5,000 subscribers. To all our new visitors, make sure you subscribe to help us attain the 5,000 subscriber journey. And you can see my background, that is the headquarters for Cooperative Bank, and just opposite here, that is the Memorial Park. I think most of you can remember what happened in 1998. So there was a bomb blast, and that is now the area. And we are going to find amazing views in this video. And look here who we have on set.
Hi guys, this is Alex for Shifting News. Welcome you today for the content that you have today.
Yes.
For the new visitors on our site, we say subscribe, click the notification link, and for those who have been supporting us, continue guys. We cherish your support. God bless you.
Nice. And this video is going to be about Aga Khan Walk. It has been under renovation just to bring a new feature, a new serene environment. I think people will enjoy to see how it is right now.
Yeah, people have it to enjoy because you see it's very different from the way it used to be.
Just if you come to your background.
Yes, if you look at the background, you can see how it's amazing.
Yes.
How I wish Nairobi, the entire Nairobi should just be like this.
Yeah.
It's an amazing area. You can see people are relaxing. You can come and relax and have your bites there. So it's a good video today.
Yeah, and to all our supporters, we always thank you for always coming here. Maybe just to read some comments here, we had, you remember our previous video?
Yes, our previous video, I remember from Naivasha to Ngong Road, Naivasha Road to Ngong Road,
yes,
then to town.
Yes. Yeah. So we had a number of people who made comments. Okay. Mr. Patel said Nairobi City is a great city.
True.
And now we have Trevor Morara, one of our biggest supporter.
Thank you, Trevor.
A very good brother. And he said, when I see this, I feel happy. A developed area for our fellow Kenyans to enjoy. And Kasema, and he loves this. And then he made a comment on what we were talking about. Your question about rain and traffic jams.
Yeah, true. There must be some link between the rain and the traffic jam in Nairobi. But Trevor, can you tell us why is it happening that way?
Yeah, or maybe tell us your views on that.
Views on it, yeah.
And then he said, then TZ can't be compared to Kenya. We are the kings in East Africa.
Wow. But you see, Kenya is developed, like in the communication sector, in the transport sector,
yes,
in industrialization. We are much ahead than our brothers from East Africa, that is Kenya, Uganda, and the neighboring countries here. So, okay. And we are still going far, we are still developing. We are the government to up the game so that we become the champions of Africa in development.
Okay. And then IT Gaming said Naivasha Road is in good condition but needs sidewalks.
Wow.
Did you see Naivasha Road, or have you been using it on several occasions?
True, Naivasha Road, it's good, no potholes, a smooth road, but the problem is no sidewalks. There are in some areas you'll find you are colliding with the pedestrians while driving, so it normally gives us hard time, especially at the rush hours, okay, to maneuver on Naivasha Road. Yeah.
Then there is one here, Disloyal Masheta. I don't know if that is the pronunciation.
We beg for, if you pronounce it badly, we beg for forgiveness.
Yes, maybe you will tell us in the comments, or maybe you can side chat us so that we find the correct pronunciation for the name. So he said, great content, and then please cover Ngong, Kibiko, Kimuka Road. I think, do you know that area?
Yes, I know that area, along the SGR, Ngong SGR areas.
Oh,
there's a road
there.
Of
the tunnel.
The side of the tunnel there. We are coming.
Very soon.
We are coming.
Okay, and then there is Shop Girl said Konza. So that means maybe we should try to cover Konza City.
Yeah, for those who are new in Nairobi, there are other cities within Nairobi, like the Konza City, like the Tattoo City. You have the Northland City coming up, and those areas we shall be visiting them and shall give you the content, guys.
Yes. So I think those are some of the comments I thought wise to read, and just appreciate all who visit our videos and always comment. That is the support we always need. And I hope you continue watching this video until the end. You're going to enjoy the views of the Aga Khan Walk. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you are visiting us for the first time. Thank you and continue watching. So on our left,
Memorial Park.
so it's a place where people they come to remember, reflect and support peace. It was sad for that event that happened.
And God forbid, we pray such an incident never to repeat again in Kenya.
Yeah.
It was a very bad situation.
And a number of families were affected. I think it's still an issue that is ongoing when it comes to compensation. Yeah, and you can see now we are connecting to the Aga Khan Walk, and the lawns have been done well. You can see the grass, the flowers, very amazing. When were you, okay, like your first time in Nairobi? Can you remember maybe the year?
I'm a bit old in Nairobi here. Can I say in 2009 there?
2009 is just recently.
That's when I came now to know Nairobi and just to know the streets. This is where. Initially I was just coming to visit and go back. But since then, this period of around 10 years, there are great developments happening. I remember kirukaruka maji, God was lucky, but now you can see, just walk freely.
Yeah, and did you ever use this Aga Khan Walk?
Yeah, I used it before. And it's a new place. It's a new place. After these renovations,
yes,
it's a new place. See, come and
so what can you recommend? Maybe is it a good initiative? Should they do for the whole city?
In fact, what I'm telling the governor is, this is how all the streets in Nairobi should be. All the streets, hata ukienda Kirinyaga Road, hata uende wapi huko chini, all the streets downtown, even they should just be like this. The governor, kudos for this project and make it in the entire town.
And now you can see it is very cool, very attractive.
Very attractive.
And you see with that, you can find it's easy to attract foreigners or foreign investments. To the extent developments will continue in this country.
Yeah.
And so the road here is Harambee Avenue.
This is Harambee Avenue. You can see the electricity houses here.
So in nje inaenda to the office of the president?
Office of the president, office of the deputy president, the AG's office. This is the road.
Yeah, and Nairobi has good roads. A number of developments have happened. Hapa hivi kitambo hakukuwa na kabro. So you see with the coming of the cabro, ni kama people wana enjoy sana.
It's a cool morning, watu wanatulia tu. Sasa kulia hata unaona wengine wamelala. So if you didn't have a good sleep at night,
yeah,
just come here.
Lakini usilale ujisahau.
Kujisahau
This is
pia,
Nairobi.
Kujisahau pia utaambiwa karibu Nairobi.
This is Nairobi, Kanairo, as they call it. And this place you are seeing, mostly weekends, I think inakuanga ya skating.
Yeah, parking.
Yeah, during weekdays.
But on holidays and weekends, a place for skating. So people can just come and learn how to skate.
So ni parking ya Insurance Plaza ama
but I think another quite I'm not sure about it. Because we find even people who work at Kenya Powerhouse, they also work here, so we can't connect them, honestly.
And then you remember that video from Ngong Road?
Yeah.
There was something you were mentioning about uchumi.
Yeah.
That is, you said that is the only uchumi remaining.
Uchumi building along Ngong Road.
Oh.
Written in Uchumi along Ngong Road.
Oh, you said along Ngong Road.
Along Ngong Road.
Because you see these neighbors we are seeing here, hii ndo ilikuwa previously Uchumi supermarket.
Yeah.
Alafu pale mbele, I don't know if you can see the Nairobi Cinema.
Yes.
On the right.
On the right.
Which building houses Nairobi Cinema?
Uchumi House.
Uchumi House. So, what do you comment?
You see, the reason as to why I told you Uchumi along Ngong Road, it is the only building that's still written on Uchumi. But you see, neighbors here, the name has already changed. You here, you won't be able to tell this was once a Uchumi supermarket.
Okay.
So also this Uchumi House, I would just say, oh, it's just a name, like any other house. So that's where I recommend Uchumi Ngong Road. And the only one remaining significantly you can tell, there was once a supermarket known as Uchumi Supermarket. But the name is still there.
And Nairobi Cinema.
Shifting
what do you know
news.
about it?
Explore, feel,
Nairobi
shift.
Yes.
Nairobi Cinema is a good guys,
What do they know about
what
Nairobi
do you know
Cinema?
about Nairobi Cinema? Is it about sincerely speaking, I've never been in that building. I've never been in, but I think today, after this video,
Yes.
I'm going in. I have to find out.
Are
what
you
is inside there.
And then that means you are not very conversant with a lot of buildings in Nairobi.
Yeah. Nairobi ni kuhustle baba. Unatoka hapo, unatoka mjengo, umechoka, unaingia huko. So even getting some time kuingia joint zingine
Ni ngumu.
ni ngumu.
So let's just get some comments from people who are viewing. Maybe tell us, what do you understand about Nairobi Cinema? Na unajua some buildings are so iconic. Unaona kama Hilton Hotel ilijitoa. Alafu kuna kitu inaitwa Afya Center. Toa hizo two buildings,
Nimepotea town.
watu wamepotea town.
Alafu toa ile OTC, ile building under construction. Toa tu ile net.
Si ijatolewa? I think wametoa.
It's time, it's around some months jateremka huko. Hizo ukitoa tu hizo tatu, mimi nimepotea town.
So those are the iconic buildings yenye unapatanga, yani mtu
akitoka ushago anaambiwa enda Afya Center. Mwambie tu akushukisha Afya Center.
Yes.
Usimame. Ukija utakutana nikupata hapo, kuja niko Kencom.
So hata wewe unajua Kencom tu.
Kuja niko Kencom, that is it. KICC also the same. Also iconic.
KICC ndo ile pale. I think there is story about the design ama the engineers who did the design.
Yeah, there's a video about the engineer who made it, and he got that motivation from something.
Maybe people can go search, watuambie is it a real nini. Alafu kuna ile CBK Pension Towers, tena it's an iconic building lenye sasa unaona inakaribia nini hii Times Towers.
And there are so many buildings coming up in Nairobi.
Yes.
And in future, this is the Dubai we shall be in.
Yes, so this has been views of the Aga Khan Walk. You can see the good grass that has been done. You have enjoyed. I think this needs to be done across the city. Kukwena the trees, the serene environment. So thank you for watching, and I think maybe you have a final word to tell to our viewers.
My final word to tell our viewers is welcome to Nairobi. Those who are abroad, we shall give you the true picture of Nairobi. Welcome back. But remember to subscribe
And hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell to support us. That is the only support we want from you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, and see you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.